Are you looking for the right chest mount? Well, this chest mount is part of the DJI Action 4 bundle package off Amazon. Now myself, sitting one cheeseburger away from just 225 pounds, this chest mount is a little snug. And behind the scenes, well, you haven't seen, is when I put it on, it snapped back like a rubber band on me. If you're sitting at about 200 pounds, this chest mount is perfect for you. If not, I'd recommend spending the extra 15 bucks and getting one that's a little more durable, as this one is kind of flimsy. However, it does the trick. Now sit back and enjoy the show.